Craving something spicy, chewy and cheesy? Today we are making cheesy tteokbokki, an easy beginner-friendly weeknight recipe anyone can cook in no time. Let's start. If you have fresh rice cakes, great. If you use packaged ones like me, soak them in warm water for 10 minutes. This is the secret for soft, never tough tteokbokki. While they soak, let's make the sauce. 2 to 3 tablespoons gochujang paste, 1 teaspoon gochugaru, 1 teaspoon brown sugar, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, a splash of chicken stock, 1 tablespoon honey, and mix everything together. Crush and roughly chop 2 garlic cloves. Prepare green onions, separate white and green parts. Chop whites coarsely and greens finely. Save those for the end. Heat oil in a deep pan. Fry the garlic quickly. Add white parts of green onion and fry quickly. Pour in the sauce. Add drained rice cakes. If you enjoy this cheesy tteokbokki, hit like, subscribe and share this video with someone who loves easy comfort food. Pour in the stock so that everything is submerged. You can also add fish cakes or hard-boiled eggs. Bring to boil, cover and cook 4 minutes or until soft. Just watch that bubbling. Now the best part. Sprinkle 200 grams grated mozzarella cheese, cover until it melts. Finish with the green parts of green onions. You can add sesame seeds or sesame oil on top. And there you have it. Easy cheesy tteokbokki, a perfect simple dinner. If you like easy comfort food like this, I have more quick and simple recipes waiting for you on my channel. See you next time.